Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to our channel, your spot for awesome explorations. Today, we're jetting off to Mexico for a special treat, the ancient Teotihuacan pyramids. And guess what? We're taking the scenic route, way up in hot air balloons, with our trusty drone capturing all the magic. Picture this, we're floating high above the breathtaking Teotihuacan pyramids, bathed in the morning sun. And don't forget, you're not just seeing it from the ground, our drone is giving you a VIP view from above. Now, before we dive into this airborne adventure, a quick reminder to check out our online shop at touristchannel.shop. We've got some fantastic gear and goodies to make your own adventures even more awesome. From travel essentials to exclusive merchandise, it's all there. Oh, and if you haven't already, hit that like button to show some love, subscribe for more exciting content, and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop for our drone-powered explorations. Alright, no more waiting, let's soar into the skies and experience Teotihuacan like never before.